More people and countries are being affected by the coronavirus pandemic. Notably, investors are regaining appetite for risk. Stimulus measures from leading central banks are bearing fruit, so traders are dispelling fears about the lack of global dollar liquidity. Amid moderating demand, the US dollar index has slipped off a three-year high. Global stocks and currency markets are extending recovery. The Dow Jones picked up and opened the New York trade away from historical lows. The index gained ground mostly in midday, having added 1%. In the evening trade, it's trading a bit higher. The ongoing moves are a phenomenon which happens once a quarter when 4 types of contracts for derivative instruments expire. These are stock index futures, stock index options, stock futures, and stock options. The US dollar index halted its stellar rally. The US Fed, with the other central banks, injected enough liquidity. California locked down its borders, and this pushed the greenback down. Its index opened the New York trade, retreating to 101.80. Despite a 1% loss on Friday, the index jumped 3.9% for the week. Today, traders are poised to sell the US dollar, being worried that other states could follow California and close their borders for quarantine. Investors are stoking fears about recession in the largest global economy. Yesterday, a weekly update showed a sharp increase in initial jobless claims in the United States. Nevertheless, it's too early to predict a clear trend reversal of the US dollar amid beyond demand. A slight decline of the US dollar gave relief to some weak currencies, including the Canadian dollar. The USD pair dropped slightly to trade at near 1.4270, having shed 1.5%. The loonie also benefited from the rising oil prices. However, crude oil again was trading in the red on late Friday. Brent crude fell to $28 a barrel from $30 in the early trade. The turmoil in the oil market and the panic mood affected the Bitcoin price. Amid global headwinds, Bitcoin is trading under higher volatility, tasting new record lows. Experts of the crypto market share the dismal outlook. The worst-case scenario does not rule out a slump to $2,800 per token. Meanwhile, Bitcoin spiked 16% in intraday trading, aiming to test the level of $6,000, but not $5,000. To assure crypto bulls of positive prospects, Bitcoin needs to develop a steady uptrend. However, financial markets across the world failed to gain momentum. You are watching Market News on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals and have a nice weekend. See you on Monday.